Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. R. Karthikeyan doing MD Medicine at MAMC. So, from tomorrow, we have planned to conduct a clinical case presentation series for the final years as well as pre-final years. So, this series will be based on each system case presentation, followed by we have collected a lot of clinical image series and clinical videos which will actually give you the feeling being in a clinic. Okay, at the same time it will help you enhance your clinical skills. We'll be seeing from history taking and importance of each history in each systems, and at the same time we'll be coming to the examination and what are the methods, clinical methods now practiced, and we'll be discussing the possible viva questions in each of the case presentations. So based on the polls conducted recently in Telegrams and WhatsApp, we have found that tomorrow's 6 p.m. everyone, most of them have voted for that poll. So we'll be conducting our first clinical case presentation on cardiovascular system from tomorrow. And amidst COVID duties, we have collected lots of clinical images as well as clinical videos, which will actually help you to recognize the particular clinical finding they say in each systems. Okay, so this series will progress depending on your interaction as well as your strength. So kindly everyone come live at 6 p.m. tomorrow and have a short overview of the subject cardiovascular system tomorrow, so that it will help you asking so many doubts and ask doubts maximum as possible. And at the end of the session, I will be discussing in detail with respect to some valvular disorders of cardiovascular system, so that we will conduct 2 sessions on cardiovascular system. By the end of 2 sessions, you will really master what concepts needed for your clinical case presentation as well as those needed for your clinics. These small sessions in clinical case presentations will definitely help you ace out your exams as well as help you develop some confidence in seeing patients. Okay, keep sharing this information to most of the students, final years, pre-finals, so that most of them is benefited in this platform. Thanks a lot for watching this. Kindly comment your opinions and share and subscribe to our channel for future videos on this series. Okay, thank you.